What's up, dear viewers? Today I want to show you how to scale drawing in Autocad if the drawing is in feet and inches. For example, I will start by importing drawing. Import. Let me import site plan. This one. I want to import floor plan AU. Okay. So I want to specify insertion point on screen. Very important. And then okay, so that it will be inserted where you place it. Okay, now this drawing, if I'm the first thing is to check your unit for length. Type DWG unit. Type DWG units on your screen. Then if you check my current unit for length is 3, which means I'm working in millimeters. I want to change that to 2, that is feet. So I'll type 2. Okay, hit. You can see that 2, these 2 here. You can see down here, I've typed 2, or you can just type it here. Hit enter, enter. Precision I can just change to 2, enter, enter, hit enter. Right now my drawing is to scale, is in the correct unit, so I'll just zoom. I'll just zoom extend. Right. Okay, now the next thing is to activate my linear dimension. Then I want to determine the length from here to here. Okay, you can see the length is that. Now we need to change the unit for length for that for dimension. So I'll type dim style. Type DIM style. In your keyboard, select this one, the first option, and I will modify. Okay, now this one I will change from decimal to architectural, right? Then I'm working in that position. Then click, I'll go back symbol, then click OK, then close. Now if I measure this one here from there, you can see this one, the scale is too small, it's currently 0 inches. So let me scale this. My base point is here, my reference is there, because I cannot divide any number by 0. It will be, that is infinitely small. Okay, now my reference length is from that point. I want to increase the length by reference. Okay, that is 3/4 inch. Let me just scale it using a reference. Then we will find the exact scale using scale factor. Still, the drawing is too small. Right. Now, we can scale this drawing using reference. Let me say from this point, reference, that point. Let me make it 40. Is it possible to change that to feet? Let's make it, let's say 100. Okay, that is 8 feet 4 inches. I will type dim style, modify. I want to change the arrow size. I increase it to 10. Text height, I will increase it to, let's say 8 or 6. That might be too much. Let's say 3. Arrow, I'll say 3. Then okay, close. Still too small, so I'll type dim style again, modify. So I think 10 is okay. 15, text 15. Okay, that is okay. Now we want to find the scale factor of this. Right, now that we have randomly increased the length to some point where we can be able to use this length divided by the actual length divided by the measured length to find the scale. So 40 divided by, now this one is 8 foot. Now let's change everything to inches. 40, I'll activate calculator. 40 foot is how many inches? I'll multiply 40 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 12. That should give me 480. Right? Now I want 8. That should give me 480. I want 8 multiplied by 12 and then plus 4. That should give me 100. So I want 480 divided by 100. That should give me 4.8. Now that is the scale. So this one I'll just let me hit escape, select everything. Now our scale factor is 4.8. Scale, our base point is here. Scale factor 4.8. Now this drawing is to scale. The next thing is just dim style. Now modify. Text height, I'll increase it to let's say by 75. Arrow 75. Hit okay. Let me modify further. Primary unit. Let me use this position of that. Then click OK. Then close. Now, if we measure the distance from here to there, you can see now this thing is to scale. This floor plan is to scale. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in another video.